Metal's back. We're gonna learn a stab. Why is it called a stab? Because it hurts. You're gonna stab yourself in the gut with your elbow. So let's practice on our left hand. Here's what we do. Left hand shakes hands. Fingers go to the side. Right hand waves high. Left elbow, boom, goes to the belly button. Chin goes down to your chest. That's what we have to practice first. That's it. Shake hands, turn to the side, elbow in, wave high, chin to chest. We do all those things first, and then, boom, hold that shake over the floor. I'm gonna turn to the side a little bit. If I fold this over the floor, the top of my head can go on the floor. I go up to one toe, I go up to the other toe. And now, I can wave high. Or I can hold my hand on my hip. I hold this for 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. Don't put your face on the ground, because that's gross. And don't try and put your feet up in the air, because that's whack. Stay like this. Shake hands, turn to the side, elbow into the gut, boom, wave high, chin to chest, hold it down, go out to your toes. That is your stab position. 3 Mississippis, we got this.